Hello, welcome, 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 welcome to today's class. Ooh, I'm happy to have us back. I am so excited. I feel like dancing. Guess what? I saw the amazing work a lot of you are doing with your games. Wow, I am privileged to be part of those raising the next innovators and inventors of technology. It's so wonderful. Congratulations to all those who have sent their different project ideas, and our team and your instructors are working with you to help you bring it to life. Please don't relent. The fact that we are done with that class does not mean that the class has ended. So the class still continue. You will still be building games, even though we are entering another level now, but you still be building your game. So congrats. And remember what we said in the game class. For those of you who are doing well, we are taking note of you, and we are already making some preparation and planning some things. With time, we are going to be including you into the team that we already are building, that are developing a large game. And guess what? You will be getting some reward. Don't say I tell you, you will get some reward. Good. So our teenagers, I'm happy with all the amazing things you are doing. Please keep it up, keep doing it. We are taking note of it, and very soon we'll be communicating some of you. Right? Okay. So today we'll be starting a new course. And this time we are treating what? App development. Yes. I know you can all see it on the screen. So we are starting a new course which is app development. A lot of you must have seen apps. Apps like the WhatsApp, the Instagram, the Facebook, the TikTok, the YouTube. You go to Google Play Store, you see fantastic and amazing apps. You go to Apple stores, you see apps created by people just like you and I. And in this course, you will be learning how to create one. I know you would love to have an app that is meant for you. Is that okay? So I will run through the introduction of app creation, and as usual, my support system, that is a team of instructors under our academy, will come around and take you on different sections of the app. I'll still be coming around, right, to take you on a particular app project, but you will have well equipped, trained, and able instructors to take you on this journey of app creation. It's going to be a smooth and fun ride, so prepare yourself, gild your seatbelt, and get ready for a ride, because we are going to be cruising. I know you love that. Okay, so let's go right in. What is app development? You'll be hearing app. What is it, this app? What is this app all about, right? So let's find out. Good. Yes, some of you already have fantastic ideas about app development, and I love that. Now let me give you what I have actually packaged for us as regards to what app development is. There's two words here, app and development. So let's see what app is. What is an app? So an app, which is a short form of what? Application. So when you hear app is a short form of application, or mostly referred to what as mobile application or a piece of software. Is a type of software that can be installed and run on a computer, tablet, smartphone, or other electronic device. So an app is simply an application, the full name is application, or a mobile application, and it simply means a software that you can install on a computer, a tablet, or a smartphone and other electronic device, right? Then we also see app as a software that is designed to perform specific function on a mobile device. So we have various type of apps, just like I mentioned before, and they are meant to perform specific type of function in a mobile device, right? Good. Now, what then is app development? If apps simply means software that you can install on a mobile device, computer, tablet, and the rest, or a software that performs specific tasks on a mobile device, what then is app development as a compound word? So let's see that. App development is a process of making and building softwares for smartphone, for tablet, and for digital assistant. So when you are making this software that can be installed in a tablet and the phone, you are simply developing an app. When you are creating a software that runs on a mobile device, you are engaging in app development, right? Now, I love this third one. He said app development is the process of converting a concept or an idea into a functional and user-friendly product. So when you talk about app, you have an idea in your heart, or you have seen a problem and you want to use an app to solve that problem or to bring that idea to life. You can convert that idea using what? A user-friendly product, which is an app, right? Then we also see it as planning and the rest. But please take note of this third one because we'll be making reference to it. You simply convert your concept, convert your idea into what? A user-friendly product. Simple. That's what an app is. Good. Now let's go on. Types of apps, right? Now we have different types of app. The first one is what we call the native mobile app. Native mobile app. Now examples of this app, native applications are developed for only one type of mobile device operating system, right? These are type of app that you can only use it on one operating system. What do I mean? It's like having an app that work in Android. Such app will not work in iOS, that is Apple phones. And there are apps that work in Android that does not also work in the computer. There are apps that work in tablet that does not work in the computer. So it depends on the type of app that is we are referring to here. There are games I know we must have seen. You try playing that game in a phone, it played. When you bring the same game in a tablet, such game cannot be played, right? So can you mention examples of apps that you've seen or you know that work in a computer and that work on mobile phone and does not work in a computer or tablet? Can you mention such type of app? A typical example of such app is the call app, the app we use for call. And then even this text app, the text app, you know, I think maybe camera app or something, gallery, file. Many of them work only on mobile device. They are designed to work on mobile device. So when you export them into a system, they will not work because systems have their own design different from the one that work on mobile device. Right? Good. So native Android mobile app are designed for a specific platform. For example, you cannot use BlackBerry app on an Android phone or an iOS app on a Windows phone. Then numerous programming languages are used to develop native mobile apps. So you can use different programming language to create a native. You remember we mentioned it in the section of introduction to coding, right? So you will have JavaScript, Python, Swift, Objective-C++, React. You can use many of these to do what? To develop a native app. Remember, native app works only on one mobile device. It will have all the features and function of app, but it works only on one operating system. If it is tablet, it's tablet. If it is laptop, it's laptop. If it is Android, it's Android. If it is iOS, it's iOS. It cannot work across different devices. Is that clear? Good. Now let's look at the second one. The second one is web app. Web app. Now, web and mobile web app can only be accessed using a web browser window, right? These are apps that you use a web browser to access it. The app does not need any storage capacity or installation to operate. So you don't install the app. You don't keep the app in your phone or go and download it in Play Store. You just use a mobile browser to view it. Mobile web applications are readily adaptable to multiple screen size and devices. A typical example of this mobile web app are all the airdrop app that we find mostly on Telegram, right? They are very good example of mobile app. Many of them are app. By the way, do you know that you can create any of these app that we see here? Any of these app, airdrop apps, can create them. If there's any of them that you see, like the tomato, the goat, the Hamster Kumba, any of them you see that you like and you want to design, as you learn this app, just use any of them to practice and you'll be good, right? You use it, you use the model of what we are teaching you to develop something like that. So, but they are called web app because you don't need to install them. They are already hosted in a mobile site. So you just go there, you open them, and then you can access them. Is that clear? So that is the second type of app. So the third type of app is the hybrid apps. So hybrid apps brings together the benefit of native and what online application. So for hybrid app, you will enjoy both what native app does and what web app does together in hybrid app. What does this mean? It simply means that hybrid app are developed on a specific platforms and published across different app stores like Google Play Store, Apple Store, etc. Hybrid apps simply are apps that when they are developed, they run in different operating system. Right? For instance, now your WhatsApp, you can install WhatsApp on phone, Android phone. You can install it on Apple phone. You can use WhatsApp on your tablet. You can use WhatsApp on your laptop. In fact, you can even use WhatsApp on your television by casting. If you cast your phone on your TV, your WhatsApp can be accessed. So you, those are that is an example of a hybrid app. The same with Facebook, the same with Instagram. Many of these apps that power the social media space are designed and created so that they can function across all devices. The hybrid app application are developed using what? HTML, JavaScript, Python, and the rest and the rest and the rest. So just take note that there are three types of app. The native app, which are apps that only function on one operating system, just one. If it's laptop, it's meant for laptop, fine. If it's meant for Apple, fine. If it is meant for Android, fine. The second is what? Online app or web app, the ones that are hosted on this web pages. You go there, you find them, you use them. You don't need to install them. And then the third one is the one that work across all devices. Right? Beautiful. Now let's go. There are 7 basic steps that you must take note of for you to be a good app developer. You don't just jump into app development overnight. If you want to be an excellent app developer, there are 7 solid stages you must go through to be able to develop this app. Right? So I'm going to be taking you through the 7 stages, and then in the practical section, you will now be seeing how these apps development are being implemented. You will now be seeing how these 7 steps are being implemented. Is that clear? Good.